Good morning, dear students. Today, in chapter 6, we will study about the divisibility rules. So, what are divisibility rules? Divisibility rules are some common rules that help us to find whether a given number is divisible by another number or not at a glance, means without actually dividing the given number with the another number we can clearly find out whether it is exactly divisible or not. There are some numbers which have their divisibility rules for other numbers, so let's study about them. The first rule is divisibility by 2. Divisibility by 2 is very easy. According to the rule, a number is divisible by 2 if its last digit, what is the last digit, means the ones place of a number is an even number, that is the number ends in 0, means the last digit of the number is 0 or 2, 6, 4 or 8. If the last digit ones place of any number is either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then we can clearly say that the number is divisible by 2. For an example, 6, 16, 44, 52, 118, 346 all are divisible by 2. Why? Because their ones place, means the last digit is either 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. The next rule is for divisibility by 3. What is the rule? A number is said divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. Sum of its digit means whatever the number is given, we add up all the numbers in the digit and then we find out whether the sum of the number is divisible by 3 or not. If it is clearly divisible by 3, then we can say that the number is divisible by 3. For an example, 36 is given, so 3 plus 6, sum of the digit, is equal to 9. So we know that 9 comes in 3's table, 9 is divisible by 3. So yes, the number is divisible by 3. 72, 7 plus 2 is also 9. So yes, 9 again divisible by 3. So yes, the number is divisible by 3. 316, 3 plus 1 plus 6, we add up all the digits, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 6, 10. We know that 10 don't comes in 3's table, so no, the number 316 is not divisible by 3. Divisibility by 5. It is also very easy. We have to check the ones place. A number is divisible by 5 if the digit at its ones place, means the last digit is 0 or 5. We have to check whether the last digit is 0 or 5. If the last digit of any number is 0 or 5, then we can say that the number is divisible by 5. For an example, 10, 15, 45, 60, 120, 155 all are divisible by 5. Why? Because their ones place is either 0 or 5. The next number is divisibility by 6. Divisibility by 6. All numbers divisible by 2 and 3 both are divisible by 6. Means if we want to check whether a number is divisible by 6 or not, then we need to check whether the number is divisible by both 3 and 2. A number will be divisible by 6 if its ones digit is an even number and the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. So 24 is an even number, 92 is an even number, 345 is an odd number. So clearly it is odd number, so not divisible by 2. Let's check these both even numbers. 24, so ones place is 4, here ones place is 2, so both are divisible by 2. Yes. Now divisibility by 3, so we apply the rule of divisibility of 3. So 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 comes in 3's table, so yes, it is divisible by 3 also. So 24 is divisible by 2 and 3 both, that's why it is divisible by 6 also. But as you can see here, 92 is divisible by 2, but not by 3, because 11 don't comes in 3's table. So 92 is not divisible by 6. The next number is divisibility by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 9. The rule is same as 3, only we have to check whether the sum of the digit is divisible by 9 or not. So first number is 54. We add the digit. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 comes in 9's table. So yes, it is divisible by 9. 477. So 4 plus 7 plus 7 is 18. So yes, 18 comes in 9's table. So it is also divisible by 9. Whereas 118, 1 plus 1 plus 8 is 10. So 10 don't comes in 9's table. So it is not divisible by 9. The last rule of divisibility is by 10. It is very easy. A number is divisible by 10 if the digit at its ones place, means the last digit of a number, is 0. The number which has 0 as its last digit or ones place are always divisible by 10, like 30, 50, 110, 260, 1860, all are divisible by 10. There is a note also, the number which are divisible by 10 are also divisible by 5. Thank you. Have a nice day.